nonstop for the last several hours, and we've been getting briefings, and frankly are in a position where we had to weigh different risks with no great choices. There's a concern, the railroad has a serious concern which they can express to you about an explosion with one or more of these cars. They describe an explosion as potentially catastrophic. We are weighing that and have been weighing that potential versus a controlled release. And they will explain to you in a moment what a controlled release is. We've decided that that controlled release will occur today at 3:30. We're urging everyone in this area, actually ordering them to leave. We are again sending out the Ohio State Highway Patrol, sheriffs, and other law enforcement to this area. And they have already gone through there at least once. They were through this area last night, urging people to leave. The work, going back for a moment, the work that was done last night resulted in the bigger area of about close to 100 people actually deciding to leave after they were contacted last night. Let me read the statement that I think summarizes what is going on. Following new modeling information conducted this morning by the Ohio National Guard. And let me just add that we have been in consultation with the Defense Department. We've also been in consultation with the manufacturer of the product. So following new modeling information conducted this morning by the Ohio National Guard, Ohio Governor Mike DeWine and Pennsylvania Governor Josh Shapiro are ordering an immediate evacuation in a 1 mile by 2 mile area surrounding East Palestine, which includes both Ohio and Pennsylvania. If you'll look over here, I'll get back to the mic, but the red area and the yellow area, the vinyl chloride contents of 5 rail cars are currently unstable and could potentially explode, causing deadly disbursement of shrapnel and toxic fumes. To alleviate the risk of this shrapnel, Norfolk Southern Railroad is planning a controlled release of the vinyl chloride at approximately 3:30 p.m. The controlled release of the toxic chemicals also has the potential to be deadly if inhaled. Those in the red area are facing grave danger of death if they are still in that area. Those living in the orange area are at risk of severe injury, including skin burns and serious